What is that?
Mustard.
Mustard? Where are you gonna put it?
It does it.
Okay, come on. Let's go. Go slowly. Go slowly. Sneak up and just put it on his mouth. Okay. Don't show him. Hide it. Hide it down by your side. Okay. Say you got pranked.
Do it again.
Do it again?